If you have no high income skills, no followers, no fancy degree, but you still want to make an extra $1,000 a month in 2025, this video might change your life. Because I'm about to show you exactly how regular people, and with zero special skills, are doing it right now, online, legally, and realistically. Let's go. Before we jump in, no, this isn't get rich quick BS. This is get paid consistently, using simple online tools that require more hustle than talent. You won't need to sell your soul on crypto scams. You won't need to make cringe TikToks, and you don't even need to show your face. Let's start with the easiest one. Method number 1. YouTube cash cow channels using AI, like this one. You write a simple script or use ChatGPT. You generate a voiceover using tools like 11 Labs. You drop it into Pictory or Runway. Boom! You have a 10-minute faceless video. Post 3 videos a week. Start earning from ad revenue, affiliate links, and shorts bonuses. Some people are making $500 to $5,000 a month doing this with zero experience. All it takes is consistency and viral topics. Method number 2. Affiliate marketing with AI written reviews. Go to a platform like Coinbase, Skillshare, or Amazon. Sign up for their affiliate program. It's free. Then create simple short-form content around things like best app to start investing in 2025. How I saved $500 without noticing. I tried this app and made $50 in one day. Use your phone. Use AI voices. Doesn't matter. Just put your affiliate link in the description. And you get paid per sign up. Method number 3. Sell Notion templates or digital downloads. No design skills? No problem. Go to Gumroad or Etsy. Find popular digital products like planners, checklists, or habit trackers. You can buy PLR licenses, private label rights, use AI to create your own in 30 minutes. Or just modify free templates and rebrand them. Then market with Shorts, Reddit, or Pinterest. $5 to $15 per sale times 10 sales per week equals $500 plus method number 4. Fiverr or TaskRabbit, but use AI people are still doing graphic design and resumes manually. You won't. Offer services like, I'll summarize your YouTube videos. I'll rewrite your blog with AI. I'll generate 10 short-form scripts for your brand. All of this can be done using ChatGPT plus templates in 10 minutes per gig. Low skill? Yes. Low time? Also yes. Still makes money? Absolutely. Method number 5. TikTok Reels reposting with edits. There are channels right now reposting gym content, finance rants, motivational speeches, podcast clips. They cut them down, add captions, background music, maybe a filter, and boom. YouTube Shorts plus TikTok equals 1 million plus views equals monetization plus affiliate sales. Important, make sure to transform the content enough to be fair use, or use royalty-free libraries like Pexels, Storyblocks, or Creative Commons clips. Now listen, you don't need to do all 5. Pick one and go all in for 30 days. Most people fail online because they try everything for 3 days and quit. But those who stay consistent, they build systems. They learn what works, and they get paid. You can literally out-consistency people who are smarter and more skilled, and still win. So let's recap. If you want to make $1,000 per month in 2025 with no skills, AI YouTube channel affiliate review content, sell simple digital products, offer smart gigs on Fiverr repost and edit viral content. All of these are 100% real, working right now, and require no special background. Comment $0 to $1,000 below if you're serious. Check the description for links to the tools I use. Subscribe for more ways to earn smarter, not harder. Let's level up.